Today, I'll show you how to deposit a check on HSBC online using their mobile banking app. This simple process allows you to deposit checks quickly and conveniently from wherever you are without needing to visit a branch. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to open the HS mobile banking app on your smartphone. If you haven't already downloaded the app, make sure to do so from your device's app store. Once you've got it open, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. It's important to ensure that your login details are secure. So make sure you're in a private and safe location when doing this. Once you're logged in, you'll see a menu icon usually located at the top or bottom of your screen. Tap on it and a list of options will appear. From this menu, you need to select Deposit a Check. This will take you to the next step in the process. Now, it's time to choose the account where you want the money to be deposited. This is a crucial step, so double check to make sure you're selecting the correct account, especially if you have multiple accounts with HSBC. Once you've selected the account, the next screen will prompt you to enter the check amount. Carefully type in the exact amount written on the check to avoid any discrepancies. After entering the check amount, the app will guide you to take photos of the check. You'll need to take clear and well-lit photos of both the front and back of the check. Make sure the check is placed on a flat surface and that all details are clearly visible. A good tip here is to use natural light to avoid shadows, which can obscure important information on the check. Once you are satisfied with the photos, upload them through the app. Before you finalize everything, take a moment to review all the details you've entered. This includes the account you've selected, the check amount, and the uploaded images. Ensuring everything is correct will help prevent any delays or issues with your deposit. Once you're confident everything looks good, go ahead and submit your deposit. After you've submitted, keep in mind that it may take a few working days for the funds to appear in your account. It's always a good idea to check back and confirm that the deposit has been processed successfully. And that's it. That's how to deposit a check using HSBC. Thanks for watching and happy banking.